So the team with Sunshine Renewable has been fantastic. They got the equipment, the parts, everything delivered here. They got the team out here, started working on it right away, got everything installed. Look at the clean installation, made sure that the job site was clean and tidy after every day, and really did it in a pretty fast way. I'm very pleased with their on-site installation. So I was surprised how quickly El Paso Electric came out and did an on-site inspection for me, and we were able to pass on the first go-around, which means my system is going to be commissioned and up and running that much quicker. So that's great work. Instead of having to have somebody come out and re-inspect the work they did, Sunshine Renewable did, got it past the first go-around. So hands down, customer service, I'd say is top notch with Sunshine. I haven't had any issues texting, phone, everything. They've been responsive almost immediately. I really have had the best experience with Sunshine Renewable. I mean, I'm so excited. I called so many places trying to find batteries for my home. People either told me they can't do it or there's none available. And Jeff with Sunshine found batteries and got them installed for me. I'm thrilled.